If you notice that the tabs on your Chrome browser is now arranged vertical instead of horizontal, this video walks you through on how to switch back to the horizontal arrangement. Okay, look at what I'm trying to explain here. You can see here my tabs are arranged this way. All right, so if I click here, I'll get to this email tab. And if I click here, I'll get to my Google Gemini. I open all these. But sometimes it can be confusing, all right? So I don't want to have it this way. I want to have it the usual horizontal way. Okay, so if I click here, I'll be seeing the websites, okay? Their icons by this side. So to return to the normal horizontal way, whereby all the tabs are at the top here, what you need to do is to click on this plus sign first, okay, to open a new tab. Once this new tab is opened, the next step is to access your settings. By settings, I mean the browser settings. And for you to do that, you click on the three dots here, then you click on settings. While clicking on these settings, you will see some options. Click on appearance. On this appearance page, you will see tab position. Vertical is selected by default since the recent update on Chrome browser. Alright, though it may vary from PC to PC. So click on this vertical section and select horizontal. Alright, so once you select horizontal, you can just close this page. Okay, close the browser. On closing it, try and open it again. So let me double click to open it, okay? I'll look at here, I have opened it. Let's search for a few things. Then I'll press enter. Alright, you can see the tab is now at the top here instead of at the horizontal level. If I want to open a new tab, I'll click on it, on the new tab button, and this has fixed it. If this helps, consider subscribing. Here we cover a lot on information technology. So subscribe to learn more. Hit the like button and leave a comment in the comment section. Thank you and see you some other time.